Now let's get you an exclusive conversation with YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy, who's claimed now, made a big charge, claiming Chandrababu Naidu, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, is in touch with Rahul Gandhi through Revanth Reddy. Jagan Mohan Reddy has claimed essentially that when Rahul Gandhi talks about vote chori, he makes no statement on Andhra Pradesh because of vested interests. He's suggesting essentially that there seems to be some sort of tie-up, some sort of understanding between Chandrababu Naidu and Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to Jagan Mohan Reddy speaking to India Today.
But today we made an interesting comment saying Revanth Reddy, Chandrababu Naidu and Rahul Gandhi are all in cohort with each other. What is your meaning by that?
So not only me, Ma, if you were to ask anybody in the state, it's an evident fact to everybody in the state. Why is it that the Congress spokesperson does not speak of Chandrababu Naidu's versus he speaks of me? He's also Andhra in charge. That person's name, I think Manikyam Tagore. Manikyam Tagore, you should ask him. He doesn't speak about Chandrababu Naidu. He only speaks about us. Why is it so? And similarly, Rahul Gandhi, when he speaks about all this vote chori, he doesn't talk about Andhra Pradesh. Comments on Chandrababu Naidu. Why? Because there's a hotline between Rahul Gandhi and Chandrababu Naidu through Revanth. It's pretty obvious.
So you're saying Revanth still works with Naidu?
Absolutely. It's everybody's knowledge. If somebody is so naive that they can't see what's happening, then somebody should be termed as naive.
రాహుల్ గాంధీతో తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారికి ఎట్లాంటి ఆలోచనలు వస్తాయో నాకు నవ్వు వస్తుంది. అరే భారతదేశంలో ఓట్ల చోరీ దొంగ ఓట్లకి మూలం ఎక్కడయ్యా? కేర్ ఆఫ్ వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ కదా, జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి కదా. 5 ఏళ్లలో నువ్వు చేసినటువంటి అరాచకాలకు చివరికి ఏం జరిగింది? మా ఉరవకొండలోనే మొదలైంది కదా. 10,000 ఓట్లను తొలగించాలని మీరు పిటిషన్ పెట్టలేదా? తొలగించింది సిద్ధం కాదా? దాని మీద సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కేంద్ర ఎన్నికల సంఘం నుంచి ఓ కార్యదర్శి వచ్చి బిఎల్ఓలకు సస్పెండ్ చేసి తర్వాత 2 జెడ్పీసీఈఓలు సస్పెండ్ చేసింది మర్చిపోయారా? విశాఖపట్నం మర్చిపోయారా?
Just saw Mr. Jagan's statement on the vote chori thing. Mr. Jagan must understand that the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, he is not a person who is fighting for Congress alone. We are fighting for India's democracy. He has not surrendered to Mr. Shah. He is not afraid about Mr. Modi like the way Mr. Jagan does. We are fighting the battle against Shah and Modi to protect India's democratic rights. The vote chori story is a simple story that in each Lok Sabha, around 39 to 48 Lok Sabha seats, in each seat, assembly segment and few booths, the manipulation has been organized by Mr. Amit Shah with the help of Rajiv Kumar and Gyaneshwar Election Commission. We are fighting against a bigger battle.